A question that we've recently gotten is whether or not you should post bail on a state court case in New York or spend the money getting a lawyer. And this coming from a criminal defense attorney is probably not the answer that you want. My advice is post that bail, get out. Everything is going to be 1,000 times easier for you as far as coming to court, managing your case, managing your life, than if you were to be inside and if you were to stay incarcerated. So my recommendation, if money is limited on what to spend it on, is spend the money on posting your bail. Now, if you're posting your bail on a felony, I would wait to see if you actually get indicted. So I would wait to see past the 190-50 day, past the grand jury date, past your first appearance, if the prosecutor is able to get an indictment. Because sometimes complainants don't come in, sometimes things happen, and then they may not be able to get an indictment, and then you will be released pursuant to 190-50. So ultimately, if the money is limited, if you're past grand jury date in New York State Court, and if you're trying to figure out what do I do as far as hiring a lawyer or spending the money on posting your bail, my recommendation is that you post the bail and then figure out whatever you're doing. Because in theory, if you're out on bail, you can get a job or you could continue in the job that you have and you could make money to then retain the attorney. Where if you're incarcerated, you're not going to have this ability to generate income.